Hey guys, it's Ivan. We're in Dollar Tree doing another Dollar Tree video for the 25-cent deals, and we have this down here for $1.25 clearance. Now those are conditioners and shampoos, but 25 cents starts right here, and they have this Matador energy drink. Will not mess with energy drinks at all. Then they also had a fake security camera. I think I showed you guys that. We have the wire tape dispenser. Oh, that's what that is. You know, I never figured this out. What was this? It's a tape dispenser, okay. And then we have these right here. They are wall arts. Let's see what they got. Oh, if you open the ice cream shop or you want this in your kitchen, that is awesome. That is awesome right there. Now I think that's worth that's worth $1.25. And then look, you have these little things that say "Sweet Be Mine," and I got an idea for these. I think I'm gonna get 4 of these, for if I can find 4. Oh, okay. I got an idea for those. And look at this one. This one say "Ooh La La" for the macaroons. Then you got the gummy bear teddy bears right here. Those are cute. I mean, this is some nice art. Enjoy the sweet things. I like this sign. I'm gonna get that. And then they also have a laundry sign say "Fresh Laundry." Now I am looking for some more of those. Okay, and this is the gelato sign. God, you can come here and start a whole business with pictures. I want another one. What's that one? That's a flower bed for the bathroom, which is cute. And then it say "Donut No, Donut Care." That's cute. A big donut sign. You guys run to this if you want to pick up stuff for an ice cream shop. That is so cute. I can see like tons of wall art with these. And then this is a lollipop. I guess I'll get that. So they made me have those 4, but I need another one of those. So I definitely got to go to another store and get those. Oh, wait, here's something all the way back. Oh, that's that sign right there. That's cute too. So that's what that is. And then up here we got the melts right here. My niece melt these and put essential oil in them, then melt the jars I think I told you about and put essential oil in them. And what is this? These are candles, 3 lavender candles. Oh God, they smell good, but I'm not a fan of lavender. And this is a massager. They got nail polish. I think I showed you guys the hot chilies. And then the wall art, especially if you guys are doing a farm stand. We're doing an iced tea and coffee stand this summer. We just got all of our permits. That's what we're doing. This is cute, a cake topper right here, 25 cents. But I think I could use those in my iced teas. And then these go up on the wall as those. I got some pegboards right here. These are sachets. Oh, here's some more of the sticky notes. I need these, so it's 3 of those. And then what is this? The Perfect Brow Mini Kit. Oh, that's cute. Okay, let me try those. Get a couple of those. And then these are the use again punch out numbers, and you can use them again and over again. We might need these for the tea shops and coffee shops. I'm going to get these. And then these are the giant storage hammocks right here. And I think I grabbed some of those, but I think the boys wanted something to put up in their room. This is more wall art. This right here are those autoclave stickers. This is a wall tap. Now I'm going to be telling you something, guys. Oh, it is a 3-prong. I'll try it, but I don't want to pick up these and they don't work, or they start a fire or something. So I will say I'll leave one. Then it say "Be Magical." Coffee is my spirit animal. You know, guys, I want that because of my coffee shop. Any pizza is personal pizza. That's cute. So we grab those up in here. Also, okay guys, so I talked to the manager in the store. He said from now on they will be clearancing out 25-cent items. He said they will be clearancing them out. This is a new store that I'm in, and I actually found a lot in this store for it to be a new store. Now, the socks, he said the socks are switching over you might start looking for, he said about time the summer hit, you might start finding Christmas socks for 25 cents. So that's from his mouth. You know how they clearance out things. Oh, here's my older band that I pick up I throw that in my purse for my boys. Also this right here, which you can get that from Dollar General for $1. So now also be looking out, because he says sooner or later it's going to be some body washes that go clearancing out. So he said not yet, but he saw it on his script or whatever they get from email. It's going to be some body washes. So get ready to start looking for your body washes, okay? You know what? I thought these were, because they're come up product and I found, but when I go take them up there, they're not a penny. They're still $1.25. So these are coming up product not found, but some people were saying they were a penny, so they are not a penny. With my sister, she lives in Texas, hers are a penny, okay? Don't forget the candles that I look for. Now this over here, let me see if I can find them. I was looking for them the other day. Okay, and he did tell me, don't forget, keep scanning these pillows because they are supposed to be on sale. And if you can, look for their scanner and use their scanner. So he did say the pillows are still going back and forth on clearance. I was happy to hear that he said the 25 cents will be here. Then he said more of the garden stuff will be on sale too. So you can see this is their garden stuff right here. But look at that. It's a strawberry basket, a complete grow kit for $5. And I think the strawberries is down in there. Yep. Baby, I got such a hard time growing strawberries. I have to buy mine already in a bare root form because it ain't gonna work for me. Okay, I did not find these cups. I heard a lot of people found cups. I did not find the cups. So if you guys can think of another way I can probably look for them, can you let me know? But other than that, I didn't find no cups at all. And I scanned every cup, but I didn't scan them in this store. So hopefully we'll get a cup. Nope, $7. So look for the cups. They're still out there. But so far, guys, this is what you see right here. My newbies was these brow kits. It was these signs. This definitely was a newbie, but I'm skeptical. These right here are newbies for me. Let me see what else is a newbie. Oh, I had these already. I just needed more of those. And then I'm going to put my herbal salts in here. And that's what's going to be sold at my farm stand also, guys. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. It was information, a lot of information, but it's something you can absorb and look out for. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Ivy's coupon count. We don't gatekeep. Bye. So Dollar Tree, guess what? That's what he was saying. Everything that I was showing you guys in that 25-cent section, look, 1 cent, that's the brow kits. 1 cent, that's the outlets, the sticky notes. OMG, all of the stuff that I bought in that corner was a penny. He said they're going to go down to 25 cents, which might be a scavenger hunt, and then a penny. Hopefully they can put it in that corner. So you mean to tell me those candles probably were a penny? Guys, go and get it. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Bye.